If you have ever had the misfortune of going through a divorce, you have my deepest sympathy. Unfortunately, if you've ever gone through a divorce and are a member of the church, you more than likely suffered the experience that many of the lepers did in the Bible. If you know anything about those who had leprosy, you will recall from Leviticus 13:45, "And the leper in whom the plague is, his clothes shall be rent, and his head bare, and he shall put a covering upon his upper lip, and shall cry, Unclean, unclean." The only difference between leprosy and divorce in modern day times is that the individual who has gone through divorce need not cry nor declare that they have gone through a divorce. Others announce it for them. Not only was the leper to announce their condition, but according to Numbers 5:2, command the children of Israel that they put out of the camp every leper. While the individual who has been divorced in modern day times is not physically put out of the camp, they do suffer a sense of banishment, as they are often left out of many activities and ministries. And so, those who have been divorced are left to find their way through life feeling alone. Instead of receiving comfort and support from their fellow church members at a very dark time in their lives, divorcees must fend for themselves. What is sad is that prior to the divorce, married couples were included in many groups, ministries, and activities. Following the divorce, those groups, ministries, and activity leaders often shun the survivor of the divorce. Those groups find it difficult to choose allegiance to one or the other in the divorce. The remaining married couples choose not to associate with the surviving divorcee for many reasons. If you are viewing this video and can relate to these experiences, I have an upcoming workshop scheduled for June 3rd at the Renaissance Church of Christ located in Atlanta, Georgia. We will be live, but if you are unable to travel to Atlanta, we will be simultaneously hosting a Zoom video conference. This workshop is not just for those who have experienced divorce. Anyone who is in a relationship, whether married or single, anyone who just got out of a relationship, anyone who is still hurting from a bad relationship, and anyone who is about to go into a relationship should attend. Even if you have a great relationship, you should attend this workshop. If you have ever been hurt, abandoned, rejected, and devastated because of a failed relationship, there is a good chance that you are carrying around some baggage from that experience. Many people seek comfort in another relationship before healing completely from the previous one. Most find themselves with the same kind of person from the previous relationship. An understanding of the stages and phases of relationship and divorce will help to keep this from ever happening again. Join us for this enlightening workshop sponsored by the Renaissance Church of Christ Singles Ministry. Join us in person or via Zoom video conference. Scan the QR code above to register. We guarantee that you will receive valuable information that will get you to the point of better relationships. Through our many years of working with couples, we realize that some relationships require some one-on-one attention. So we also offer pastoral counseling if you think that you need this service. See our website for this service if interested. Help has finally arrived. Even if you have a great relationship, this workshop can show you ways to keep it that way. Don't need help yourself? This course contains great information for your family members or friends who just can't see or won't see that they are in trouble. Invite them to attend. We look forward to having you join us. You will not be disappointed. If interested, simply scan the QR code at the end of this video, which will take you to our website to register. Have questions? Feel free to call me at 214-202-7968 or email me. All of my contact information is on your screen. You have surely heard the old saying, been there, done that, got a t-shirt. Well, there is no need to keep wearing that t-shirt. I look forward to seeing and hearing from each of you. My phone number again is 214-202-7968. Please leave a message and I will get back with you. God bless you. Take care.